Hi, today we're going to show you the emergency feature available in your Arlo mobile app. Let's get started. The emergency screen allows you to quickly activate the siren on your cameras and contact a friend that you have set as your emergency contact. To choose a contact to act as your emergency contact, select the icon in the upper right-hand corner of the emergency screen. Select the Call a Friend option. Here you can either fill out the information or choose a contact from your device. If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.